Spatchcock Funk, and it's dessert time. Perfect for after parties, for sleepovers, all that stuff. Now, we got this from Pillsbury because we got the Doughboy and the Dough Girl Amelia in here. How you doing?
Good.
You ready to go bananas?
Yeah.
We're gonna make a Go Bananas pizza today. What are some of the things you like in dessert?
Nutella.
Nutella, okay. How about caramel? Yeah? What about bananas?
Yeah.
Big banana fan. Okay, let's roll out this dough. You ready to help me?
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you toss that out for me? Okay. So, you're gonna help me roll this out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, you take that in. Roll that down. Perfect. Okay. Let's spread it out a little bit. Let's make sure it's looking good, feeling good. I think if it's dessert, it should get a little messy, you know what I mean? You got your hands dirty, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's throw this in the oven for 10 minutes at 375 degrees. Since we're going bananas, do you have any good stories about bananas?
Yeah.
Tell me.
Once our elves came over and they drew on the bananas' faces. We had little ones and they drew little sad faces. And the big ones, they just drew happy faces.
Yeah, sometimes bigger is happier than smaller, I guess, right? That makes sense. I like that story. So I also want to know about this. How do you open a banana? What? You just flip it over your shoulder. Can I try it? It works. Okay, let's see. So I open it like this. You know what? We're gonna cook some other bananas, so I'm done with that one. All right. Ooh, look at that, golden brown. That's what I'm talking about. Let's do it. Once we got the dough, and we bought the sheets, but you can also get the crescent rolls and just mash them together. It's gonna come out after 10 minutes, golden brown. We're gonna take about 1/3 of a cup of a hazelnut spread, and my homegirl and I are gonna set it down here. We're gonna spread it all across our dough. This is our sauce.
Hot.
Careful, hot. Okay, there we go. All right, now here's the next step. We're gonna set this aside. We've got a mixing bowl. So we're gonna take a 1/4 cup, maybe a little bit extra caramel in here, and grab those bananas. Pour those in. Yeah. Now we're gonna basically scoop them right out of there. We're gonna take this caramel sauce.
Yeah.
We're gonna stir it up. So why don't you stir that up for me? And we're gonna microwave this for 2.5 minutes, stopping every 30 seconds to stir it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I just want to eat it right now. But we should wait, huh? All right. Now we've got our shell back, and here's what we're gonna do. I am gonna hold this, and you are gonna take that spatula.
Yeah.
Ready? Take the spatula, and you're gonna just spread those evenly all across our beautiful pizza. So get that all spread all the way out. Oh yeah. Spreading the good word, causing trouble. That's what's up. Just like my life, this pizza is a beautiful mess. So we've got our caramel, banana stuff on there. These are some toasted almonds. Why don't you sprinkle those all the way across? Yeah, that's how it's done. Get right in there. Now, here's the last thing we're gonna do. This is some melted, about 1/3 of a cup melted hazelnut spread. I want you to take it and do the lines all across. Don't be shy. Any which way you want, yeah. Look at that. You want me to cut you a slice?
Yeah.
Break you off something? Okay, there's that. Let's slide this guy out of the way.
That's a weird way to cut something.
It is a weird way to cut something. Okay, let's have a bite. Which piece you want? Yeah, I can take the good one. Okay.
I can't forget.
Here's to y'all. Mmm.
I have to go right first.
It's good. Spatchcock Funk, Amelia, Go Bananas Pizza.